Hello, I'm in a 2011 Toyota Prius, and today I'm going to show you to connect your phone Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first, make sure your vehicle is actually on, and then also your device, make sure your Bluetooth is turned on, which it is. And usually if you press and hold that, it'll get you your pairing menu. But now from here, from whatever screen you're on, you can go to your info phone, click phone, and then couldn't auto connect since I'm not connected yet. So we'll connect phone. You might need to clear one of these off because there's a max number of phones that can be connected. So let's say we need to do that. We would just select and then go through the options to delete it, which would be here, remove phones, there, and delete. Yes, so we cleared that off. So now we'll put a new phone in any of the spots. So from here, make sure it's in the pairing screen, which it is, and it found the car multimedia. So I'm going to select that. Pairing, it wants the passcode, in this case, to be 0000. So I'll type that in. And then now it should be connecting. And it's now successful. Now you should be able to listen to music, take calls. Sometimes you can connect maps and things like that as well. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.